Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to turn all of these foods into ingredients that will be used to create meals throughout the week. You can see here that I had some snap peas that were already prepped in the fridge. Next, I'll pick all of the herbs that I'll need for easy access and then wrap the rest for later use. This week I have lots of mint and dill. Next, I'm making pickled red onions and chilies, which is super simple. I get all of the pickling ingredients together in a pot on the stove, then I slice my onions and a beet for color. I just love the colors in this, and these onions are so versatile, you could use them on anything. When the pickling liquid boils, I remove from the heat, cool for about a minute, and then pour over the onions. Now for the tahini sauce. I get my minced garlic and tahini into a bowl with some lemon juice. Then I start gradually mixing in water until we get a nice saucy consistency. And not pictured here, but I did add a little bit of salt to finish and then store away. Next, I cut all of the white sweet potatoes into wedges, get them on a sheet tray with some olive oil and salt, roast in the oven at 425. Quickly getting a pot of rice on, just rice and water here, and then jumping right into my shrimp. I get them onto a sheet tray with some leavens, olive oil, bay leaves, and spices. Give it a good toss, and then into the oven to roast. Now for my favorite part, the chicken marinade. Here we have some yogurt, lime zest, spices, lots of salt, crushed garlic, and lime juice. Mix all that together and then add in the chicken, give a good toss again, and this will sit at least an hour. Overnight is best. Then I sear the chicken thighs over medium heat, making sure to get lots of nice brown bits without burning. This amount of chicken took me about 3 rounds of cooking. Lastly, we'll sear our steaks in a cast iron pan over high heat. I cook these for about 6 minutes on each side and then let rest. Alright, there you have it, all of our ingredients for the week. Pictured, I have about 11 different meals here that I made by mixing and matching all of these different ingredients. I could have come up with a lot more, but I ran out of food. Leave a comment and let us know what meals you made with these ingredients. And for more content like this, subscribe or follow us on Instagram at Heathy's Kitchen. Happy cooking!